Hello everyone, Michelle here. Today I'm going to the rodeo in Tucson, Arizona. They let the kids out of school and it's a local holiday. It's called Rodeo Days, and I've never been to the rodeo. Lived here 20 years and I'm going today. I'm going to meet my friend Patty. So maybe we'll do some neck rotations and then maybe I can do more video later. So what you do to start with is you're going to turn side to side gently, and you're going to breathe out, in, out, in, out, in, out. And as you go to the side, you want to exhale and try to look at your back foot. So as you do this, you have your feet apart, shoulder width, with your knees over your toes and your feet facing forward. Don't let your feet toe in or be out. You want them right in front of your body, lined up straight. And so then you try to look over your shoulder at your back heel. That's your intention.